Hey guys, this is Mrs. Pierce. Well, actually, it's not Mrs. Pierce. My name is Mr. Gualiardo. You'll have to call me Mr. G. Mrs. Pierce is actually on maternity leave and she's got to take care of a baby she just had. So what I'm showing you right now is our setup for our science classroom for our 7th grade living environment. We got our desks all nicely spaced apart, ready to go for you guys. And we got a couple more things to show you once I pan back over. So the first thing to show you is, hi, this is me. I'm Mr. Gualiardo. Again, Mr. G. My name's really hard. One other thing, we have our pet class. His name is Bernard, or pet for the class. His name is Bernard. He's a dinosaur. And our other pet, I didn't kill him. It's all right. This is our pet shark. He's in a little bit of formaldehyde. He's taking a little nap. So a couple things about myself. I graduated from Niagara University in May, and I'm going to UB for grad school right now, as of 2 days ago, actually. I love to fish, I love the outdoors, and I love science. I'm looking forward to working with you guys. Whether I see you 2 days a week, if you're at home, you'll be receiving work from me. If you're on Wednesdays, we'll be doing Zoom meetings to get to know each other, do work like that. And it's going to be an awesome time. And I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you. Thank you.